We're going to be using this puller here to try to pull out this bearing carrier here, because the new one, it came with a new one. That one is kind of rough there. So we're going to take that out. Oh, it's already coming out.
Is it?
Yeah, look at it. There, you see?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
I think that should be it, because this
Oh yeah,
presses on.
yeah, that's it. And the rest you just tighten it.
Which way do they go? Like this side?
Yeah. No, that's outwards.
That's outwards.
So yeah, flat side towards that little flange. Alright, so we got the welder. We gotta weld this bracket in here for the track bar, because it got mangled, and we straightened it out with some heat, a torch. So now we just need to reinforce it with some welds.
Can you turn the speed up just a hair?
That's solid. That's gonna do the job. Just need to grind it up and then paint it. So, and then we also are gonna get an adjustable track bar, just in case that's a little bit off, so we could adjust it, the axle, to whatever side we need. Now we're going to get ready to just throw some spray paint to keep it from rusting. Alright, so we got that bracket painted to prevent rust. So we're getting ready to put this axle back under the Jeep, mount all the control arms and all the other components. So we're going to try to pop this back into this track bar just for now, because we want to test out how the axle operates, see if the axle shaft is good and whatnot. We are ordering a adjustable track bar, but we're going to try to slip that in. Alright, so we fixed that track bar temporarily. We're going to put it back under the Jeep and just to see how the axle articulates and how that axle shaft works. See if it's all good. Alright, we got the track bar back in. Now it's on to the next step. axle in, everything tightened up. Taking this tarp off, gonna see how it drives. That rim is possibly bent a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely not wobbling as much. That rim might be bent a little bit though. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap for today. We got all the suspension back in, so we're good there. Now, next step would be to start doing this body work here, which we're gonna have to take it to the frame machine and get that pulled out. But for the most part, it's pretty simple. We got a quarter panel over there, and yeah, we just need to work with this side here, and hopefully we'll get it done soon, and I'll be uploading a new video here soon. So like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.